Hello children, in previous video we revised about the solar family. Now in this video we will revise about other topics of the chapter. Here you can see the picture which makes different designs, right? These are constellations which we can see in the sky, mostly that are seen during winter, because in winter sky looks clear, right? So a group of stars or a set of stars is called constellation. Total 27 constellations are there, which we use in our day-to-day life as nakshatras, right? So some of the familiar nakshatras are Pushya, Magha, Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasa, Purvashadha, Uttarshadha, Arya, Swati, etc. And famous nakshatra among these is Pushya nakshatra. During Pushya nakshatra we can do auspicious celebrations, auspicious work, and even we can buy gold or silver in these nakshatra. Second famous nakshatra is Saptarshi, 7 stars, right? A constellation with 7 stars which has name in the after 7 rishis. Okay. Next, here you can see shooting star, which is called meteors. Actually this is not a star, but it looks like star falling from the sky. स्काई से एक टूटता हुआ तारा नीचे आ रहा है, ऐसा कभी कभी दिखता है. एक्चुअली दिस इज़ नॉट ए स्टार, ये स्टार नहीं है, बट दिस आर द स्मॉल स्टोन्स और रॉक्स which are moving in the sky that comes down due to the gravitational force. ये gravitational force की वजह से कभी कभी जो planets के अराउंड मूव करते हैं वहाँ से दूर हो जाते हैं और वो ज़मीन पे आके गिरते हैं. That is called meteors. Here this is the picture of Earth. Earth is sphere, right? And it is tilted around 23.5 degrees Celsius. You can see here that line is given, that is an imaginary line from where to it is tilted, and it rotates on its own axis. These are the parts of the earth, right? We can divide earth into 4 parts. The upper part is northern hemisphere, and the tip of the upper part, that is called North Pole, and the down part, lower part, is called southern part or southern hemisphere, and this is the tip point of the southern hemisphere is called South Pole. Upper part North Pole and down part, lower part, is called southern hemisphere, and that is South Pole. Central line which you can see, which shows west to east, it moves in the direction of west to east, and the central part which divides the earth into 2 hemispheres, that is called equator, and the 0-degree line in the center, that is called prime meridian. The horizontal line and vertical lines are given, that are called latitudes and longitudes. Next, here it is given in a way that first 2 hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, on the basis of longitude, and on the basis of latitude, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now the division. Central part 0-degree, it is equator, or we can say it is equatorial region. On the north part, if we move, then we can see 23.5 degree north, that is called Tropic of Cancer, and above that 66 degree north, that is called Arctic Circle. In down part, in southern part, 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn, and then Antarctic Circle, which is located at 66 degree south. Next, latitudes and longitudes. Right, 0 degree latitude, 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian, and 0 degree latitude is known as equator, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Here a line that you can see, that is an international date line, right? International date line. Prime meridian was known as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, because it passes from a city named Greenwich, which is located in England. So it has another name given, that is Greenwich Mean Time, or we can say prime meridian. Here it divides the earth into two equal parts, and which has selected as international date line, which passes from 180 degree. Why this line zigzag? Do you know? Because if the line is taken straight, then the area of some of the country will cut off, right? Means it will divide the country into two parts. Especially you can see in the above part, that is Russia, right? So in Russia, if we select straight line, then Russia will divide, some of the part of Russia will be remain on another side. So what will happen, it will have two dates on the same day, right? कि एक पार्ट होगा तो उसमें फर्स्ट डेट होगी, और जो इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन के इस तरफ होगा वहाँ पे सेकेंड डेट होगी. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ सिलेक्टेड इन और नीचे की तरफ जो वेस्ट इंडीज़ का पार्ट है वहाँ पे भी कुछ आइलैंड्स लोकेटेड है, तो देयर ऑल्सो इट विल रिमेन द सेम. वही होता कि एक जगह पे अलग डेट, एक जगह पे अलग डेट. तो इससे क्या होगा कि पूरे कंट्री का जो वर्क है उस सब पे इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता, राइट? सपोज यू हैव टू सबमिट वर्क ऑन 31st, देन द पार्ट ऑफ द रशिया विच इज़ नॉट इन दैट लाइन, इट देन दे विल हैव फर्स्ट डेट, राइट? तो एक के एरिया में 31st होगी, एक के एरिया में फर्स्ट होगी, तो इट में क्रिएट्स लॉट्स ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन. सो इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन इज सिलेक्टेड in such a way that it cannot cut the areas of any of the country. Okay, so that's why it looks like zigzag instead of a straight line. Here, rotation and revolution. Earth rotates on its axis, right? And revolution means it takes a round around the sun on its orbit, that is called revolution. Then solstice and equinox, that we studied in detail. Here I am giving just an idea that when the some of the part of the earth which comes near the Tropic of Cancer, then in one part, in one hemisphere it will summer, and in another hemisphere it will winter. Summer hemisphere जो पार्ट समर में है, समर एरिया में आता है, वहाँ पे डे विल बी लॉन्गर एंड द नाइट विल बी शॉर्टर. और जिस हेमिस्फीयर में विंटर चल रहा है वहाँ पे डेज विल बी शॉर्टर एंड नाइट विल बी लॉन्गर. और जो सन के एकदम सामने आ जाते हैं, आप जो नॉर्थ और साउथ में देख रहे हैं ना अर्थ का पार्ट, हाँ, देयर सन फॉल्स इक्वल, दे विल गेट इक्वल लाइट ऑफ द सन. सो हियर this is a time which is called equinox, means equal timing होगा, days and nights both will be equal. Next is eclipse, right? Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. eclipse कब होता है? जब मून या तो अर्थ का पार्ट जो सन के लाइट्स के बीच में आ जाता है, सन लाइट को ब्लॉक करता है, राइट? तो इस सिचुएशन को कहते हैं एक्लिप्स. मीन्स ग्रहण। सोलर इक्लिप्स हो तो मून है वो अर्थ और सन के मिडिल में आ जाता है, राइट। मून विल कम इन द मिडिल ऑफ द सन एंड द अर्थ, देन इट क्रिएट्स सोलर इक्लिप्स, ओके। एंड ल्यूनर इक्लिप्स कब होता है? जब अर्थ है वो सन और मून के मिडिल में आ जाता है, राइट, देन इट बिकम्स ल्यूनर इक्लिप्स।